Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today we're diving deep into one of the most eagerly awaited devices of the year, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Apple has a history of pushing the boundaries with every iteration of its smartwatch, and the Ultra 3 seems to be no exception. With a flood of leaks and rumors, there's a lot of buzz around this next-gen wearable. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Apple Watch Ultra 3, from design upgrades and new features to release dates and pricing. Apple has always been at the forefront of innovation in the smartwatch industry. The Apple Watch, since its inception, has evolved from a simple fitness tracker to an all-in-one health, fitness, and communication device. With each release, Apple has managed to capture the market's attention by offering groundbreaking features that set the standard for smartwatches. The design of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to build on the solid foundation laid by its predecessors. While it may retain the familiar sleek and robust look, rumors suggest that Apple might introduce subtle yet impactful design tweaks. These updates could include a more refined casing, potentially crafted from new materials that enhance durability without adding bulk. Under the hood, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to be a beast. One of the most exciting rumors is the inclusion of a new, more powerful chip, potentially the S10 processor. This chip is rumored to bring significant performance improvements, making the watch faster and more efficient than ever before. The display has always been a standout feature of the Apple Watch, and the Ultra 3 is expected to take it to the next level. One of the most exciting speculations is the potential introduction of micro-LED technology. Unlike traditional OLED displays, micro-LEDs offer several advantages, including higher brightness, better contrast, and improved energy efficiency. Health and wellness have always been central to the Apple Watch experience, and the Ultra 3 is expected to push these boundaries even further. Building on the success of previous models, the Ultra 3 could introduce new health monitoring capabilities that offer deeper insights into users' well-being. One of the most anticipated features is advanced sleep tracking. The Apple Watch has always been a favorite among fitness enthusiasts, and the Ultra 3 is set to continue this tradition with a suite of new and improved fitness features. The watch could introduce new workout modes, including advanced metrics for activities like HIIT, yoga, and even swimming. The Apple Watch has always been a favorite among fitness enthusiasts, and the Ultra 3 is set to continue this tradition with a suite of new and improved fitness features. The watch could introduce new workout modes, including advanced metrics for activities like HIIT, yoga, and even swimming.